Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 11 divided by 11 divided by 11 and 11. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. So firstly, we can start this question from this left side. So 11 divided by 11, which is equal to 1 divided by 11 divided by 11. Okay student, firstly we can solve these two numbers. Now I can write it as 1 divided by 11, okay, divided by 11. So according to the rule of KCF, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip, we can write it as 1 divided by 11 multiply by 1 divided by 11. Okay student, so numerator is multiplied to numerator and denominator is numerator. So it should be equal to 1 divided by 121, because 11 times 11 equal to 121. This is the final answer of this expression. Student, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your answer. Thanks a lot.